Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
We have to really pay attention to where the sun is at. My favorite place is on the east side, especially in the desert, because an eastern exposure gets sun from sun up until noon and afternoon shade, which can be really critical for fruit trees and your gardens, don't you think?
For sure, yeah. East is definitely one of the easiest sides to deal with. One of the things that I find throughout the year is that different garden beds produce differently. So there's some garden beds that do better in the wintertime, some garden beds that do better in the summertime, just depending on where the shade and the light can be. And so not all garden spaces, not all gardens are created equal, and it's definitely going to be a learning curve. One of the things I learned from Greg when I recently moved into the house that I'm in now is that I spent the better part of the year just kind of paying attention to where the light is, seeing where the shade's at, seeing what trees get in the way, seeing what trees help, and before taking the time to spend a lot of money and effort into installing something permanent like fruit trees or a big established garden bed. For the time being, everything is movable to a degree where I can shift it and be like, that did not work last winter because it didn't get enough light.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.